Hello everyone, and let me welcome you back to Hugo House. And today we'll take a look at this charming old stone cottage that was brought back to life. The Creekside Cottage is a beautiful cottage renovation located in western North Carolina. The best part about this cabin is the story behind it. The original cottage owner's descendant bought it back and then brought it back to life. This cottage renovation was done in 2013 on the 2,400 square foot cabin with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The stunning cottage is hidden deep in the Pisgah National Forest of western North Carolina and was aptly named Kibbin because its owner's youngest son, aged 3, could not pronounce cabin. In the 1930s, the owner's grandfather, who was a judge of the area, bought the land and some locally harvested timbers from a young mountain man who planned to build a log house for his fiancée. She left him and went to California, so the grandfather took the land and the timbers off the young man's hands for a mere $50. In 1971, over the objections of his grandchildren, the judge went on to sell the one-story cottage. The memories from the log house continued to resonate with the grandchildren. And so in 2011, the original Kibbin and the 7 surrounding acres came up for sale. Larry, the judge's grandson and an Atlanta attorney, was happy to say the least. And Larry's wife Dana, an Atlanta financial management professional, was happy for her husband, and more than a little relieved that his long-held dream had come true. The cabin has incredible meaning for Larry, but as happy as the couple was to own now the log house, the wood cabin was falling apart. They were determined to keep this cabin by the creekside with so many memories attached to it. The lower level of the 2,400 square foot cabin has a bathroom, a bedroom, and the utility areas. The main living space has an upper level where there is a vaulted great room with a living room, a dining room, and a kitchen that sits against one long wall in the wood cabin. Curved trusses that were designed by Altobello support the great volume of open space. The log house is furnished with clean-lined, traditional log house furniture. The room is oriented towards a large fireplace and a chimney built of the same stone that forms the log house building exterior. The majority of the cottage is built out of stone and then finished with wood on the inside, which gives it a classic and traditional cottage look. They were able to maintain the original whimsy of the cottage but outfitted it with brand new stainless steel appliances and modern furniture for a fresh take on a classic cabin. It's renovations like this one that are really inspiring to see because they're not only restoring a home, they're preserving a piece of local history as well. And if you've ever wanted a cabin of your own, that's one way to go about getting one. Just see if there are any cottages available for sale in your area or the area you want to have a vacation cabin. And if you like this video, consider dropping a like. It really helps this channel to grow. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to this channel. We're going to be featuring new homes every single day, from log homes to tiny homes to vacation homes and other inspiring home ideas. I hope you have a great day, and we will see you in the next video.